Welcome once again to this experimentation. It's my second one that I'm doing here on this channel. Today I've got a 9x12 140-pound cold press piece of paper, and across the middle I've smeared some ultramarine blue, burnt sienna and viridian, and I'm going to wet the tops and bottom half of the page, and I'm going to use a large wash brush, a 1-inch brush, to activate that paint and spread it up and down, creating this sort of eerie, like almost cityscape scene on water. We kind of think it looks like the Hudson River. And then I let it dry. Um, and I also used the edge of a piece of 140-pound cold press paper to move the paint around. And then I dry brushed in some towers using some Payne's Gray and also some silver acrylic paint, and then put in the shadows in the water. Hopefully this was helpful today. It was a lot of fun. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot and have a great day.